Good morning, all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning. Okay, so have you all read the second chapter in civics, constitutional design?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
read.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go on with it. So, why do we need a constitution? First, tell me what is a constitution, by the way. What is a constitution?
Ma'am, a constitution is a set of
Ma'am.
A
rules and laws
constitution
that all citizens agree
uh,
upon to
that is used
follow.
to govern the
Okay,
country. Ma'am, a
okay.
constitution is a set of rules
Class ninth.
that are agreed
Wait,
upon
wait,
by
wait,
all the
wait,
citizens.
wait. Listen. I think on your screen also you can see if someone is
Citizens.
talking. Wait, wait, wait. I think on your screens also you are able to see if someone is talking. So when someone is talking, then at that time you keep your audio mute. When they have answered, then you can answer again. All right. So Dhruv was answering. Okay, Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, a constitution is a set of rules and laws that all citizens agree upon to follow. And ma'am, it also tells the way a government has to be governed. And ma'am, it sets power and limits of the government.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes. Yes, come on.
Ma'am, it is agreed upon by all the citizens of the country.
He said that. Anything else you want to add?
I have said that.
Ma'am, he didn't say that.
Ma'am, it
That's why I
also
said.
He said.
I said. I said that the
Uh,
first line.
Oh, sorry then.
Ma'am, it also
Then, ma'am,
gives
ma'am, my bad,
fundamental
my
rights
bad.
to the citizens.
hmm.
It also gives fundamental rights to the citizens, which
Oh,
cannot be violated by the government.
okay. Then certain functions of the constitution are given in your book. Four to be precise. I would like to know what are the functions of the
Yes, ma'am.
constitution.
Ma'am, can I say?
First one, Atharv.
Ma'am, can I say one?
Yes, say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it protects the majority for to dominate the minority. Ma'am, it has laws and fundamental uh, rights for them, specifically made.
Okay, now listen one thing very carefully, all of you. You are answering in your own words, whereas in the book a specific answer to this particular
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
question
ma'am.
is given, and you need to write what is given in the book. In civics, the book language, the bookish language is very important, because it right, they contain the policies and the programs, all right, and even what is written in the constitution. And so you need to use the words also, like, see, on page number 44, if you see in your book. Do you have your books with you? Do you people have your books
Ma'am,
with you? See, on page 44, the functions of the constitution are given. Four functions are given. Can you see them?
yes, ma'am.
So you need to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
those.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what will happen if you will write that, like beating around the bush in your own words, then you will get marks, but you will get less marks. Understand?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
But I was saying, ma'am,
Yes.
but ma'am,
Ha-
ma'am, I learned it in my own words, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
I learned.
yes, learn
Ma'am, I
from
learned
the
it like
book.
that only.
Learn from the book, and it is very important to learn from the book in social studies,
Yes, ma'am.
and especially more in civics. History is like a story, so sometimes you can use your own words to explain the story. But then
Yes,
civics,
ma'am.
civics book language. Okay. All right. Now the makers of the Indian Constitution, they faced several problems while they were making the Constitution. What were those problems?
Ma'am, Britishers left on princely
Ma'am,
states
it
that
was very
they have
difficult.
Okay,
nothing
wait, wait, Dhruv.
with
Yes.
Pakistan or India.
Okay, so the princely states were left undecided, and so they were left with an option that they could join either India or Pakistan. Okay, any other problem? Ananya?
Ma'am, ma'am, it was very
Wait,
difficult for the
Ma'am,
wait,
ma'am,
wait,
it was
wait,
very difficult
wait.
for the
Dhruv,
national.
Dhruv, Dhruv, wait. Yes, Prakhar.
ma'am, the country was made up of several different communities who spoke different languages, they belonged to different religions, had a distinct culture.
All right. So because of the diversity, India being a very diverse country, so it was very difficult to make a constitution for such a diverse people. And obviously, people, yeah, we here follow so many different religions, live in different regions, speak different languages, follow different customs and traditions and cultures, and so it was very difficult to make a constitution for such people. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, the trauma caused by the partition, ma'am, killed many people. So, ma'am, they were afraid that.
Okay. Now we got independence through a partition, and in partition, so many lakhs of people were killed on both the sides. So that was also a very difficult situation for the constitution makers. Yes. Anything else? There's one more point. One more point.
Ma'am, the socio-economic condition of the vast mass of the people appeared dismal.
Okay. Yes. Right. One more important thing, that India was emerging from the status of slaves to the status of free citizens. So that was also one very difficult condition to make constitution for a people who were emerging from the status of slaves to the status of free citizens. So make a constitution for such a people, it was a difficult task, because the past has been bad, the present was bleak, and the future was uncertain. So to make a constitution in such a condition, now that was a difficult task for the constitution framers or the makers of the Indian constitution. Okay. What do you know about the Constituent Assembly? What was the Constituent Assembly, by the way?
Ma'am, there are
Ma'am.
299 members.
Okay, what was this assembly, Constituent Assembly? What was the work?
Can
Why
I
was
speak?
it formed?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, the
Ma'am.
drafting of the
Ma'am,
document
ma'am,
called the
I was
Constitution
speaking.
was done by the Assembly of elected representatives called the Constituent Assembly.
Okay, you can say that in your own words. What was the work of the Constituent Assembly? To make the constitution, that was its work.
Ma'am, the Constitution Assembly was, ma'am, the Constitution of India was drafted by the Constituent Assembly.
And
And ma'am, it had 299 members, and they debated for 165 days.
165.
And its
Yes,
president
ma'am.
was, and its president was,
One,
yes, ma'am,
165.
and its president was,
Where did you get that number 165?
I think so.
Yes, anyone
Ma'am, I
else?
think so, ma'am,
Anyone
because, ma'am,
else?
drafting committee.
Ma'am, the constitution was made, ma'am, was starting to be made, ma'am, before the
Nine.
our independence.
I know,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know.
Ma'am,
How
few
many?
years,
How?
ma'am,
I
it
know.
could not
Up
take days.
almost 3
Ma'am, it
years.
could not take days.
Almost 3 years they debated, but the number of
Yes,
days,
ma'am.
the
Ma'am, it
members
was, ma'am,
deliberated
before.
for how many
Yes,
days? In yes, in your book the number is mentioned 114 days, right? Not 165. It was 114 days stretched over a period of about 3 years. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So there's a question that why we should accept a constitution which was made by the constitution framers so many years ago, more than 15 years ago. So there are certain points
Ma'am,
we
because, ma'am,
huh.
no,
Yes.
ma'am, because, ma'am, no, ma'am, popular political party has questioned the legibility of the Constitution of India.
Okay, legitimacy.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
first point. Then more.
Ma'am, Ma'am, Senate.
Yes, who will tell?
And ma'am, it consisted, ma'am, the assembly consisted of all these members of all castes, creed, religions, etc.
Alright, so it did not
So, ma'am,
reflect,
Ma'am,
it did
everyone
not.
has
Yeah,
had a representative.
okay,
the
so
community
it
was
did not.
represented.
Yes, right, it did not
Every
represent.
community and community were represented.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hajra.
It represents the people of India.
All right, because it represented
yes,
the
Yes,
people
ma'am.
of India, not any one group or one party. Because the way the Constituent Assembly was
Yes,
formed, all right, and so it had people from different regions, from different religions, different social groups. Because even in the Congress, they were peeping with people with so many varied ideas and notions, and so all of them were there. And at that time we did not have universal adult franchise, but even if we would have had, then also the composition of the Constituent Assembly would not have been much different. Okay, this was the second point. Third one.
Ma'am, the manner in which the Constituent Assembly works.
Okay, the manner in which it worked. Yes, tell me in which manner it worked.
Ma'am, it works in a systematic, open, and consensual manner.
Consensual manner means agreeing upon, means it was not that only a few agreed on. So it was done in a very systematic manner, it was open to all, and in a very consensual manner means agreeable manner. Whatever principles and points and amendments the people agreed on, that were chosen. Okay, so who was the chairman of the constituent drafting committee?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Dr.
Ma'am,
Bhimrao
B.R.
Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar.
Ma'am, B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, Dr. B.R.
Bhimrao
Ambedkar.
Ambedkar.
All right, okay, fine.
Being Ambedkar.
Okay, what did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar say in the concluding speech of the Constituent Assembly? What did he say? We have done this speech. Yes, come on.
Ma'am, was it, ma'am? Ma'am, I don't remember, ma'am, clearly, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have
But ma'am,
It was-
ma'am, खून क्या था किसका?
That we are going to
तो हमें
enter.
खून दो, हम तुम्हें आजादी नहीं है.
No, my dear, that was way back.
This was said by.
Yes, ma'am.
I know, and
I don't remember, ma'am.
and beta, by this time we have already got our independence. That was when the Constituent Assembly,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
it concluded. So that was 1949. 49 we have already got our independence. Okay. Yes. So he talked about entering upon a life of contradictions, that he was afraid because in political
Yes, ma'am.
life we'll have equality, but in social and economic life we will still have inequality. Remember anything now?
Yes.
Yes.
I explained to you all these speeches, the one of Mahatma Gandhi also, B.R. Ambedkar also, and even the very famous Tryst with Destiny, that also we did in class. I think you people are not paying attention. Is that so? Okay, give me the meaning of sovereign. Akash, are you here? Yes, you are here. I could see you. Akash, can you hear me?
Ma'am, रख के चला गया.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akash, beta. What is the meaning of sovereign?
Ma'am, sovereign means, ma'am, from other country.
Come on, you are in class
Ma'am.
9th.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, the people.
Wait. Beta, who is this under the name?
freedom.
Wait, not like this. Not like this. Dhruv and Atharv, just hold your horses a little. Who do we have under the name of Nidhi? Nidhi Anand? Nidhi only?
Ma'am, me. Ma'am.
Who, me? Name.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am. Nidhi, yes, beta, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I know.
Ma'am, freedom to rule without any other country.
Freedom to rule Without
freedom to rule without any other control.
without any
Without any other control.
external control. All right, so we are free to rule, to make decisions on our internal as well as on our external matters without any external power dictating over us. Like, you know, when we were under the control of the Britishers, so they were the ones dictating us. We were not sovereign, we were not free to make our own decisions. Sovereign means to make that we are free to make decisions in our own boundary. All right, internal as well as external decisions without any external power dominating over us. Okay, what do we mean by secular? What do you understand by the term secular? Yeah. Wait, Ananya.
Against any religion.
No, Dhruv. I'll let you know when you have to answer. Yes, Ananya. Secular.
Ma'am, there is no particular religion of the government. Ma'am, everyone is free to have their own religion. Ma'am, to follow any religion.
Okay. All right. So
Ma'am,
no.
the government should treat all religions equally.
Right, correct. So no official religion, all religions are treated equally, and no discrimination on the basis of religion. Everyone has the freedom to preach, practice and propagate their religion. Okay. What is republic? What does the term republic mean? Republic. Do we have Adya here? Yes, Adya. You are very quiet today.
No, ma'am. Republic means when there is no hereditary position. Hereditary position, ma'am. It means, ma'am, there is, ma'am, a head of a state, ma'am, who is elected, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So republic
Ma'am, the powers
means,
are not passed on.
yes, right, correct. So the head of the country is a elected person and not a hereditary ruler. So not the ruling of kings and the monarchs, but a person elected. Neither the rule of the dictators, because they are not elected. So we have the rule of elected people. The head of the state is a elected person. Who is the head of a state? Indian state.
President.
Okay, and who is the head of the government?
Prime Minister, ma'am.
Which is the highest position according to the constitution? Highest position.
Ma'am, president.
Ma'am, President.
All right.
President
Okay.
of India.
Who has more power? Who has more power? The president or the prime minister?
Prime Minister.
All right.
Prime Minister has more power, but
Ma'am, I
President has
said,
more
ma'am,
dignity.
ma'am, Dhruv is repeating.
Okay,
Ma'am, I said
because
before.
Atharva, we are not here to fight. Okay, we are here to study. It's
No,
okay.
ma'am, I'm not fighting.
Okay. All right. So the president, he is the head, but he is the nominal head. The real powers are enjoyed by the prime minister and his cabinet. Okay. All right. Why is the preamble so important?
Ma'am, can I take?
Ma'am, because it
Yes,
gives
who
the
said
brief
Prakhar?
introduction of the
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prakhar, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, preamble is an introductory statement to the Constitution which contains the ideals on which the Constitution is based and the basic underlying principles of the Constitution.
Okay. And you know, if you get a question on the preamble, then you need to write what is given here on page 50 and page 51. First, you will write what is the preamble, what does it contain, and then tell a little bit about the preamble also. That will be a complete answer on the importance of a preamble. Is that understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And you know,
Yes, ma'am.
one more important thing I want to tell you, that you know, the marks the question will carry this time will not be much, I don't think so you'll be getting any 5-mark question as such, but because you know, the paper is all only of 50 marks as compared to
Yes,
80
ma'am.
like we always have. So you know, we could ask you less number of questions also, and the number of the marks also would be less, but that does not mean that you will write incomplete answers. Still you will write, like if a question is of 2 marks, then If the points are very big, huge points, then you need to write only 2, otherwise you need to write 4 in order to get 2 marks. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you know, in history civics you get marks according to the points that you write. Now understand, by point I don't mean your number 1 2 3 4. You can make 10 points, but maybe all 10 contain just 1 point from my point of view. Okay, so I need different points, not different paragraphs, not 1 2 3 4 5. Different points should be there. According to it only you will get your marks. Is that understood? And like I told you, please understand, this is not like class 8th anymore. Now here it is just a totally different game.
Ma'am, we cannot learn the answers. Yes.
What did you
Ma'am,
say?
ma'am, till class 8, ma'am, we can learn answer, but ma'am, in class 9, ma'am, it is more important to.
Yes, book. Now
ma'am.
you need to do the whole chapter, cannot leave anything. All right, so learn from the book, and I prefer, that is why I say that try to learn from the book. The questions that we give are for your help, to let you know what sort of questions are asked and the way in which you have to answer. But you know, you may be asked from those questions or you may not be asked. Who knows whose paper will come? And the same thing will happen in the board also. You know, the paper will be from the boards and you don't know. So that is why it is always wise and prudent to learn from the book and to learn everything, even the boxes, the sources, the pictures, what is written under the picture. You don't leave anything. Understand, all of you?
Ma'am, how many marks will history civics of?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Why do you want to know that?
Ma'am, Dhruv is curious.
Don't be so curious. You have heard curiosity kills the cat. Haven't you heard that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't be so curious. We'll let you know everything. As of now, simply focus and learn. All right, all of you?
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
and listen, when we meet
ma'am.
tomorrow,
We should leave.
okay, when we meet tomorrow, it will be a complete thorough revision, combining history, civics both. So read French Revolution also, and both the civics chapter, and then I will ask tomorrow. Maybe I'll give you some written questions also tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that would be all for today, and God bless you all.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, we are leaving.
Okay. Yes, Adya, you can stay on.
ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, do we have to, ma'am, read this also, ma'am, South Africa's preamble, ma'am?